Jim, Judy, and Simba. How are you today?
We're doing well, thank you.
You own a home in Arizona and you were looking to purchase a second home. Tell me a little bit about your experience.
We looked on your website and saw there was availability, and she sent an email to Luke. We got a reply inside of an hour.
It was Sunday.
It was a Sunday.
And then when you showed us the actual unit, we were really impressed with the finishes. We loved the neutral tones. It was extremely modern, and I think we were able to close the deal within a couple of weeks because we just fell in love.
How amazing is it to get up in the morning and, I mean, these mountains are stunning.
We're up on the top floor, and it's just, you got a better view from up there.
The amount of light that we get from the big, beautiful windows, and then the view out the windows. And the foothills are gorgeous. Sometimes they're snow-covered. Right now they're beautiful green with yellow wildflowers everywhere.
You do go to Arizona half of the year. Do you feel comfortable leaving, the loft for 6 months to travel?
All we have to do is just shut off the water, lock the door, turn the air conditioning down, turn the heat on, set it at 65 degrees.
So maintenance free.
Yes.
It's maintenance
And you don't
free.
worry, it's a safe, locked building, and we've been really happy with our decision. I think another one of my most favorite things here is we have this beast, Simba, our dog, and it's just so easy to just go out your door and walk. And no matter which way we go, it's beautiful, it's peaceful, and he's happy. He just loves it here.
Lastly, how was your overall experience with us?
It was easy, the whole process. Every step was communicated so well between the two of you. I mean, you were both amazing to us.
I think we had a list of questions that we had for Luke, and we scheduled a follow-up phone call with him, and he answered every single one of our questions. And you were amazing, gave us tips on places to go around town and what to check out. And we feel like we have two new friends between you and Luke that if we have questions about the area or what's going on, that we can talk to, which is great.